Welcome back, classic car fans. Today we're diving into a new selection of vintage rides that'll have you itching to bring one home for your next project. We found some amazing classics across different makes and models, so let's explore what each of these cars has to offer. Let's get started. Car number 1, 1976 Mercedes-Benz 240D, $500, Monterey. This Mercedes 240D might be a project, but it's a beauty worth reviving. With just 50,000 miles on a broken odometer, this diesel-powered classic with a manual transmission has the iconic longevity Mercedes is known for. The car does need a new head gasket, starter, and coolant system repairs, and the current quote for fixing it ranges around $4,000 to $5,000. If you're up for the challenge, the seller is ready to let it go to the first reasonable offer. This is a timeless piece of engineering history waiting for its next chapter. 1977 Lincoln Mark V, $3,600, Las Vegas. This 1977 Lincoln Mark V Coupe is a stunning luxury classic priced at $3,600 firm. It's loaded with new parts including fresh tires, a new battery, spark plugs, and even a new fuel tank and alternator, although the latter two aren't yet installed. The car does have a water leak and a few other minor quirks, but for a dedicated enthusiast, this project could be an exciting one. A rare find with a clean title and a smooth-running engine. Car number 3, 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger, $3,900 Rockland. Next, we have a head-turning 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger, complete with its original paint and interior. This Dart runs and drives great with a 318 V8 under the hood, power steering, and power brakes. While the AC isn't functional, everything else checks out perfectly. It's all numbers matching, with no rust and a clean title, making it a solid classic in nearly original condition. Our 1976 Buick Skylark, $4,200. Here's a 1976 Buick Skylark with just over 61,000 miles on the clock. This car, powered by a 237 engine, is in great shape and is ready to hit the road. The Skylark runs and drives smoothly and could be yours for $4,200 or your best offer. A great opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Buick's classic lineup. Car number 5. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible, $5,000. This 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible is a rare find that needs some TLC but has amazing potential. With a massive 500 cubic inch V8, power everything, and a body in excellent shape, this Caddy is a solid candidate for restoration. The engine has some leaks and smoke issues, and the interior will need refurbishing, but the body, chrome, and trim are all in good condition. It even comes with the rare fiberglass Parade boot cover. Priced at $5,000, this car is waiting for a new owner to bring it back to its former glory. A 1973 Dodge Coronet, $4,000. For fans of unrestored classics, here's a 1973 Dodge Coronet Custom, complete with a 318 V8 and an automatic transmission. This Coronet has a few rust spots on the rockers, but boasts a solid frame and floor. The car has been well taken care of, drives well, and even made a recent road trip without any issues. It's up for grabs for $4,000, or the seller may consider interesting trades for other vintage items, an affordable and unique classic with plenty of character. Car number 7, 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, $3,950, Sacramento. This 1980 Corvette, a black beauty with a 305 engine, isn't currently running but has great bones for a restoration. The intake manifold had a leak, and although the distributor was removed for repairs, it never got reinstalled. The car has been sitting for a while, so it'll need some love to get back on the road. Sold as is for parts or repair. This Corvette could be an exciting project for an enthusiast looking to revive a classic American sports car. Car number 8, 1966 Ford Mustang, $5,000 Denver. Here's a 1966 Ford Mustang that needs a little work to get back on the road. Featuring an automatic transmission and a powerful 302 HP engine, this Mustang has recently had a new alternator and battery installed. While it's currently not running due to a seized starting system, it's mechanically and cosmetically in good shape. Located near downtown Denver, the seller is open to serious cash offers on this classic pony car project. Next is a 1978 25th Anniversary Edition Corvette shell, available for just $3,000. This one's essentially a blank slate. It includes the original engine and transmission, but will need a lot of work with the wiring harness removed. This could be an interesting project for someone looking to customize a vintage Corvette from the ground up. A great value for someone with a clear vision for a unique build. Finally, we have a 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe with a big block 390 engine, all original and complete. The car comes with extra hubcaps and an additional set of front seats, and only needs a new battery and tune-up to get going again. The current owner is parting with it to make room for family, so if you're in the market for a vintage Thunderbird, this could be a perfect fit. And there you have it, 10 classic cars with loads of potential for the right owner. Each one of these vehicles has a story and could be transformed into something truly special. If one of these cars caught your eye, don't wait too long. These kinds of deals don't stick around. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more classic car finds. See you next time.